Well, this is proof that the SEC is about to open the floodgates for XRP and for crypto. And in this video, we're going to talk about what Paul Atkins, new SEC chair, is talking about. And he just had a 30-second clip that is going viral right now on social media, basically taking back the last 4 years and unraveling everything and basically opening the floodgates for crypto adoption. And we have so much happening here on the horizon over the next 60 to 90 days. I expect a lot of fireworks from crypto ETFs to get approved. A lot of these deadlines looking at October and November. And in order for this to happen the right way, the SEC is going to have to make drastic changes. And it looks as if they're working to do that. And so make sure you guys stick around until the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If you're brand new, you guys know you need to subscribe to the channel. We're making multiple videos every single day for you. And I do think, honestly, this is the best time to position yourself ahead of quarter number 4. So before we jump in, I do have to tell you about our free newsletter. We've got tons of people signing up, but a lot of people still watching these vids, not signed up yet. Get in right now. Totally free, tons of alpha. Top link in the description. You're going to get multiple reports from me every single week. And we've got some really, really special additions coming for you here in the coming weeks. So let's get into it. Let me share my screen with you. Forgot to do that. We'll start right here with Paul Atkins, though. And this is bullish as hell. I mean, I'm just going to be frank. This is bullish as hell for crypto. The SEC chairman, Paul Atkins, declares, quote, "Crypto's time has come," signaling a massive regulatory shift toward embracing digital assets. With clearer rules on the horizon, it's clear that XRP is leading the charge, along with some great assets out there like Chainlink, obviously Ethereum, Solana. We're all starting to see that nice up to the right on the charts here too. And of course, HBAR, XLM, a lot of these US-based ISO-compliant protocols working in the RWA space, which is going to be a multi-trillion-dollar asset class. I think they're all set to boom here. Now, of course, it's not financial advice. I'm just a dude on YouTube. Make sure you guys do your own homework, do your own due diligence. Nobody has a crystal ball. Nobody knows exactly how this is going to go, but I can say this. I've been in crypto for the last 5 years. I've never felt like I do right now in terms of the certainty we are starting to see with the SEC, the CFTC, all of the governing bodies, the president. Everybody is all hands on deck right now to make the United States a crypto hub. And the largest US-based company, it's Ripple XRP, right? Clear winner, in my opinion. So let's get into it. There are some other things here to talk about. The SEC has released some updates on XRP spot ETF applications. Franklin Templeton's spot XRP ETF, some details on that. I wanted to get you up to speed on what's going on with that one. We have seen this one delayed a little bit, and I saw some reaction, people freaking out. Guys, to me, this is all part of their master plan. They want to get all their T's crossed, all their I's dotted. So we're continuing to see these deadlines pushed and pushed and pushed. But if you look at where they're all coming up on, it's all coming to fruition. If we get rate cuts this month, and you couple that with regulatory clarity, and you get ETFs in quarter number 4, keep in mind, quarter number 4 is the quarter where you make your gains in crypto. We've seen it time and time again. It happened last year. This is what I call the money-making quarter, right? You position yourself early on in the year to win big late in the year. And things are happening just as they always do. So don't get freaked out when you see these deadlines getting pushed. It's all part of a bigger plan, in my opinion. Now, if we take a look at the overall market, Bitcoin crossed over 114,000 today. We've been trending anywhere from about 107 to this range. Been kind of stuck at 111 for a little while. Popping up to 114 is a nice number for us. We do have some nice gains here in the altcoin space. Ondo Finance making a nice little pop. SPX getting listed on Coinbase. Nice little pop there. Avalanche, Pith Network up a good amount today, along with Mantle as well, kind of rounding out some of the top gainers. But I quickly wanted to tell you about iTrust Capital too. This is a huge sponsor of mine. So one of the most significant developments happened this week with a large-scale supply chain attack within the software ecosystem. The NPM account of a well-known developer known as GIX was compromised. Now, luckily, people's funds were safe, right? But the incident provides a timely opportunity to highlight the advantages of iTrust Capital and their premium custody accounts. With PCA's closed-loop system, the clients at iTrust are insulated from risks tied to anything external, in terms of wallet addresses or transaction exploits. So it is a great opportunity for you guys to stack some of your crypto, put it away for the long term. Maybe you're putting it away for your kids or your kids' kids. You want to build some generational wealth with some Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. iTrust Capital is the way to do it. I've been working with these guys for 4+ years now. They are the premium spot in order to put crypto in an IRA. So when you sign up using my link, they're also going to throw you a bone. They're going to give you a free $100 in that account. So there's a link down below if you're interested in that. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. I mentioned about the newsletter. Definitely get in there if you haven't already. But guys, I'm so excited about what's happening right now. It just feels like this bubble's getting ready to burst. We've been waiting for a really long time. We've seen small signs here and there, right? But the stars are aligning here. And to me, XRP, which was a front runner at the beginning of this market turnaround, it's still up 450% in the last year, mind you. I do think it's going to be another late mover and one of the top movers. The retail interest has not gone away in the last year and a half. It's only heating up. I had my Crypto Breakfast Club space this morning for a perfect example. We had 3 or 4 brand new investors just getting into the market. One guy was in his 50s. Awesome to see, by the way. Comes up, and the first thing out of his mouth was XRP. So it's clear that retail is starting to come back. They're getting interested. And a lot of the focus and attention are on these top institutional assets that could pop here in quarter number 4. And so with that, I appreciate you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and we'll see you guys in the next video.